Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulilesa, nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulitata, nalilile alinyasuka. I cried and cried, but God heard me. I called and called, and He answered me. I prayed with tears, heaven heard me. I prayed in pain, and He answered me. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulilesa, nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulitata, nalilile alinyasuka. Mubushiku nalilile, no one heard my cry. Mufilamba nalipempa, but God was listening. Umutima walema, amakaya lepwa, lelo lesa wandi alinyasuka. Mwelesa wandi mwalimfwa, mwetata wandi mwalimona. Ifilamba fiandi mwalifipukuta, amapepo yandi mwalinyasuka. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulilesa, nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulitata, nalilile alinyasuka. Banati zata zonse koma Mulungu anayanka. Banati palibenjira koma Mulungu anatsegula. Batile tafya katsitika, lelo lesa lititile. Batile inshila yapwa, lelo lesa liswile. What looked impossible, God answered me. What I prayed in secret, God answered me. What I cried about, God answered me. What I waited for, God answered me. Yeah, lesa wandi alinyasuka. Yeah, lesa wandi alinyasuka. Amapepo yandi alinyasuka. Ifilamba fiandi mumtima munalizowawa, koma Mulungu nandiona. Misozi yangi naliambiri, koma ambuya nandimba. Nayendela mu pain, but God carried me. Nalishala neka, but God stayed with me. When I was down, You lifted me. When I was weak, You carried me. When I was lost, You found me. When I was crying, You answered me. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulilesa, nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo ya filamba yafika kulitata, nalilile alinyasuka. These tears were not wasted, these prayers were not lost. What I cried in secret reached the heart of God. These tears were not wasted. had a voice. What I carried in pain became my testimony. Lesawandi alimfwa when I could not speak. Lesawandi alimona when my heart was weak. Lesawandi alinyasuka when I had no way. Lesawandi alinsunga when I could not stand. Amapepo Aya Filamba Bemba kulilesa nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba kulitata nalilile alinyasuka. Esa wandi walinyasuka. Esa wandi walinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulilesa nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulitata nalilile alinyasuka. I cried and cried, but God heard me. I called and called, and He answered me. I prayed with tears, heaven heard me. I prayed in pain, and He answered me. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulilesa nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulitata nalilile alinyasuka. Mubushiku nalilile, no one heard my cry. Mufilamba nalipempa, but God was listening. Umutima walema amakayalepwa, lelo lesawandi alinyasuka. Mwelesawandi mwalimfwa, mwetata wandi mwalimona. Ifilamba fiandi mwalifipukuta. Amapepo yandi mwalinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulilesa nalilile alinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba yafika kulitata nalilile alinyasuka. Banati zata zonse koma Mulungu anayanka. Banati palibenjira koma Mulungu anatsegula. Batile tafya katsitika lelo lesa lititile. Batile inshila yapwa lelo lesa liswile. What looked impossible, God answered me. What I prayed in secret, God answered me. What I cried about, God answered me. What I waited for, God answered me. Yeah, yeah. Amapepo yandi alinyasuka ifilamba fiyandi muntima munalizowawa koma mulungu nandiona misozi yangi naliambiri koma ambuya nandimba nayendela mu pain. But God carried me nalishala neka, but God stayed with me. When I was down, you lifted me. When I was weak, you carried me. When I was lost, you found me. When I was crying, you answered me. Amapepo Aya Filamba, yeah, kakulilesa, nalilile, alinyasuka. Amapepo Aya Filamba, yeah, kakulitata, nalilile, alinyasuka. These tears were not wasted, these prayers were not lost. What I cried in secret reached the heart of God. These tears were not wasted, these prayers had a voice. What I carried in pain became my testimony. Lesawandi alimfwa when I could not speak. Lesawandi alimona when my heart was weak. Lesawandi alinyasuka when I had no way. Lesawandi alinsunga when I could not